Reviewing MendCraft Building Construction Elementor Template Kit. Designed for construction companies. Launch business website with clean professional design. Retina ready. 100% responsive layout. Elementor required. No coding needed. Requires free. Hello Elementor theme. Layout features. Modern professional design. Cross-browser compatibility. Free plugins only. Elementor Pro not required. 100% responsive mobile friendly. 16-page templates ready to use. Customize fonts. Colors via global kit style. Zip contents. Home. Service. Service details. Projects. About team. Pricing. Contact. Blog. Blog details. FAQs 404 page. Header V1. Footer. Metform contact. Metform newsletter. Plugins. Elementor. Elements Kit Lite. JIG Elementor Kit. Skyboot icons. Metform. How to use. Not a WordPress theme. Template kits contain design data for Elementor only. Install via Envato Template Kit Import plugin. Reference link. https://helpmarketenvato.com Chenasartichlace 360334288368889 How to upload install Elementor template kits from ThemeForest to WordPress. Support via Elementor. Get help in WordPress menu. Setup icons. Enable all libraries under Skyboot settings. Setup header, JEG Elementor Kit. Use JEG Elementor Kit menu header template add new header. Add conditional site create. Click pencil icon to edit. Click gray folder icon to access My Templates tab. Insert header template. Customize and save. Import Metform custom forms. Edit page. Open Elementor Navigator. Locate Metform widget. Click Edit Form. Select New. Leave blank selected. Click Edit Form button. Click Add Template gray folder button. Click My Templates tab. Choose Imported Template. Click Insert. Click Update. Images. Uses Envato Elements demo images. Obtain license from https://elements.envato.com/collections/D9v3lz4sgb or substitute with own.